Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by designing a weekly routine that fits your life. Aim for 10-12 hours of focused study per week, split across 5 sessions. In each session, read about 50 pages or one textbook chapter, take handwritten notes, and summarize key concepts in 100 words. Reserve one weekly review to use active recall for 30 minutes, test yourself with 20 flashcards, and rework weak areas. Treat this plan like a contract with yourself. Adjust after 2 weeks, and keep sessions consistent for steady progress. Select a small set of reliable resources: one introductory textbook for broad concepts, one research methods book for design and statistics, and one peer-reviewed article per week to connect theory to data. Learn APA 7th citation basics and practice 3 stats problems weekly to understand t-tests or correlation. Supplement reading with 2 lecture videos per week, and create a bibliography with brief 50-word summaries for each source. Prioritize depth over quantity, so you internalize frameworks and turn knowledge into skills by practicing and assessing regularly. Complete 3 practice quizzes or practice tests each month, and spend an hour reviewing every error to understand misconceptions. Every 2 weeks, write a 500-word critique of a research article, focusing on methods, sample size, and effect sizes. Reinforce learning by teaching concepts aloud for 15 minutes daily or joining a weekly discussion group to explain ideas and receive feedback. Track progress with monthly checkpoints and adjust study intensity based on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.